Hey, this is Tess with ROE Dental Lab. We're a full-service national dental lab, and we're digital, so you don't have to be. And today we're going to be talking about digital denture records and what we need as the lab from your office in order to fabricate these cases. So no matter if your patient is presenting from a stance where they're dentate and looking to have an immediate digital denture done, or edentulous, we always want impressions, obviously, PVS, alginate, IOS scans, and a series of photos once we get the bite block returned back to you, or from the dentate stage. If the patient presents with dentate, we want full face, full smile photos, exaggerated smile, and then your scans. If the patient is presenting from the stage of you are completing the bite block, we're going to want the bite block in place with the markings, midline, lip line, high smile line, cuspid line, along with the photos for the full face, full smile. These photos just help us incorporate it with our design process and are really beneficial to us at the lab. From there, we can complete a final denture, and if you'd like to make any changes once the denture comes back, to the shade, to the midline, to the VDO, you name it, whether it's you or the patient wanting the changes, we've got you covered with our reverse reset, where you can make the appropriate markings, return the case to ROE, and we will print a new denture with the changes you indicated to us for you to reinsert. If you'd like to learn more about our records process, feel free to download our free Digital Denture eBook on our website, or you can call into one of our experienced technicians to discuss workflows and sending your first case into ROE. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please feel free to check out our social media for the latest and greatest here at ROE, and we look forward to working on our first case with you.